Hi everyone, Rich Morse with STABILA. Today I want to show you our LAX 600G. It runs on a lithium-ion platform, which is a 12-volt battery. This is a CAS system, which is compatible to Metabo. So we've got a horizontal and two verticals. That's going to allow you to get a control line 90, plus transfer layout floor to ceiling. That's what 360 degrees does. On the side of the unit, you'll see we've got this yellow icon. When you push that, that's going to go to pulse mode and allow you to use a receiver outdoors. The other nice feature about this, it's on a swivel base that can detach. This is a 1/4-20 base, but this base allows you to go to magnetic steel studs or drywall. The other part is this little nail hole will let you firmly mount it to wood if you don't have a metal plate backer. The other feature that we have this nice ceiling bracket that's great for commercial guys doing acoustical ceilings. The way the back of this device is set up, the magnetic plate allows you to take it right on that bracket and lock it right into place. Now it's firmly locked on there. You would mount that on your ceiling grid. Runtime is 15 hours. The accuracy is 1/8 inch at 30. This is a great setup for any interior, exterior, commercial, or residential job applications. Thanks, everybody.